GRANITE is a modeling and simulation tool for systems biology. GRANITE allows researchers to establish dynamic models of their favorite molecular networks and then perform in silico experiments to investigate the relationships of the system to its biological properties. GRANITE is capable of simulating very large and complex systems in the cloud, and includes a client application that supports interactive experiments with dynamic molecular networks. There are 4 key components to the GRANITE vision. To enable researchers to create models such as metabolic networks and gene regulatory networks, and to explore the interactions between them. To provide intuitive visualizations so researchers can connect the dots and better understand the systems they study. To let researchers conduct dry lab experiments. And to fit seamlessly into a researcher's workflow and thought process. We begin with the simple idea of a meme, the generic entity of GRANITE, such as a small molecule species or a protein. Memes live in an environment and have attributes that change over time. Intelligent agents interact with the environment, affecting these attributes. These agents are grouped into biological models, such as a metabolic network or a gene regulatory network, and the GRANITE simulation uses them to predict the future environment. GRANITE simulations can be loaded from SBML or the GRANITE domain-specific language. The information panel on the left provides a tabular view of the environment. The graph view on the right provides a visualization of the agents and their interactions with the environment. This simulation has 2 biological models, a metabolic network and a gene regulatory network. This is the metabolic network. The information panel displays reaction, species, and protein details such as flux and concentration. These details can be sorted, filtered, and plotted. The graph view visualizes these details and also shows how the reactions, species, and proteins are related. This is the gene regulatory network. The information panel displays gene expression data, and the graph view displays gene relationships. The gene regulatory network and the metabolic network are connected through the environment, where the expression of a gene is affected by the concentration of certain species. In general, biological models can affect one another through the environment. This simulation contains multiple environments. Select species are allowed to pass from one environment into another. With GRANITE, biologists can run experiments, introduce perturbations such as gene knockouts, and analyze results. One of the key components of the GRANITE vision is to provide intuitive visualizations that resonate with biologists. We are working with our team at the National Institutes of Health to gather researcher use cases to further improve our visualizations. The next challenge is collaboration. Cloud technology gives us the opportunity to create next-generation tools that will connect researchers and promote sharing of the latest advances in systems biology.